Every enterprise runs on critical business systems like SAP, where procurement, finance, inventory, vendors, and approvals are managed. Yet employees still spend significant time navigating transactions, coordinating across teams, and manually driving business processes. Introducing Quadra IntelliLink for SAP, an agentic AI platform securely connected to your SAP landscape and enterprise applications. IntelliLink understands natural business language, reasons over real-time enterprise data, collaborates with specialized AI agents, and executes end-to-end business processes while respecting your organization's workflows, approvals, and governance. Instead of asking users to work with SAP, IntelliLink works with SAP on behalf of the business. Let's see how a simple business request becomes autonomous enterprise execution. It starts with a simple message from the CEO. We are opening a new development center next month for 250 employees. Ensure procurement is completed before the inauguration. No purchase orders, no vendor names, no SAP transaction codes, just a business goal. IntelliLink responds, understood. Based on previous onboarding projects, I estimate procurement requirements for 250 laptops, 250 monitors, network equipment, office furniture, and software licenses. Existing inventory can fulfill 42 laptops. I have identified 3 approved vendors and will optimize procurement based on delivery commitments, contract pricing, and budget. Estimated savings using existing enterprise contracts, 56.6 lakhs. Shall I proceed? Great! We already have a complete procurement plan, savings estimate, and a readiness check, all from a single business message. Unlike traditional chatbots, IntelliLink doesn't wait for detailed instructions. It understands business intent, reasons across enterprise data, and builds an execution plan, all before a single transaction is raised. Check if the preferred vendor can meet our 21-day deadline for the laptop order. IntelliLink checks SAP inventory, vendor contracts, delivery commitments, budget availability, procurement history, and policy, then responds. The preferred vendor's committed delivery window is 32 days. Your business deadline is 21 days. An alternate vendor can deliver in 18 days at a marginal 1.2% additional cost. If the preferred vendor is selected, the estimated delay cost to the business is 1.8 crores. Based on procurement policy, meeting business deadlines takes priority over marginal price differences. I recommend vendor HP India. Shall I proceed with raising the purchase order? Notice what just happened. IntelliLink didn't just answer the question, it caught a risk, calculated the business cost, and recommended the smarter path, automatically. The AI isn't just searching SAP, it's evaluating business trade-offs, exactly the way an experienced procurement manager would. Once approved, IntelliLink doesn't work alone. It orchestrates a network of specialized agents, each taking on a distinct responsibility simultaneously. The procurement agent raises and routes the draft purchase order. The finance agent validates budget, cost center, and project allocation. The compliance agent verifies vendor compliance, GST, contract terms, and spend policy. The vendor agent confirms availability, delivery timelines, and lead time. The approval agent routes the sign-off to the right stakeholders. And the notification agent keeps every relevant team updated in real time. The result? Procurement initiated, budget verified, compliance passed, vendor confirmed, approval routed, and all teams notified. And there it is, 6 agents working in parallel, each completing their piece of the puzzle. No chasing, no delays, no manual handoffs. Multiple specialized AI agents collaborating simultaneously, reducing hours of coordination into minutes. IntelliLink searches alternative contracts, historical discounts, framework agreements, and volume discount opportunities, then responds. I found an opportunity. If we consolidate monitor procurement with the laptop order, the supplier will extend an additional 12% volume discount. Estimated additional savings, 19.9 lakhs. One question from the CFO. And IntelliLink just unlocked nearly 20 lakhs in additional savings without anyone opening a contract document or making a single vendor call. Total procurement savings now stand at 76.5 lakhs, 28.7% lower than spot market pricing. That's not a chatbot. That's an AI procurement executive that actively works for your bottom line. A supplier uploads an invoice. IntelliLink runs a three-way match, comparing the invoice against the purchase order and the goods receipt. A price mismatch is detected. 1,24,000 rupees. But instead of stopping and raising an exception ticket, IntelliLink goes further. It searches for PO amendments and finds an approved change request raised just yesterday. The invoice is validated and posted successfully. Rather than simply reporting exceptions, IntelliLink understands context and resolves them autonomously, whenever policy permits. IntelliLink responds instantly. Today's procurement summary: purchase orders processed, 46. Invoices processed, 81. Approvals completed, 39. Vendor delays, 2. Exceptions resolved automatically, 14. Procurement savings, 71 lakhs. Manual effort saved, 63 hours. Average processing time reduced by 82%. 3 suppliers are showing increasing delivery delays. I have already escalated the issue, suggested alternate vendors, updated all affected purchase orders, and notified the relevant project managers. No action required. Executives no longer receive operational updates. They receive completed outcomes. Review procurement operations and take whatever actions are necessary. 1 instruction: no scope defined, no steps specified, just a business directive. IntelliLink plans, identifies risks, reviews pending approvals, checks delayed deliveries, evaluates supplier performance, validates budget utilization, resolves invoice exceptions, takes corrective actions, updates SAP, and sends the executive summary autonomously. Procurement review completed. Actions performed autonomously. Approved low-risk purchase requests. Escalated 2 delayed approvals. Switched 2 vendors due to delivery risks. Flagged 1 high-value procurement for CFO approval. Saved 76.50 lakhs through contract optimization. Notified all stakeholders. No further action is required. Traditional AI answers questions. Agentic AI completes work. IntelliLink SAP understands business intent, reasons across enterprise data, collaborates with specialized AI agents, and delivers measurable outcomes, end-to-end. This is autonomous enterprise execution. Welcome to the future of SAP with Quadra IntelliLink.